Come on, Red.
Mirror clutterman, a few titanium killers. I'm good as new.
I'm scared this morning. Venom was choking me and you weren't moving. Maybe that explains it.
Explains what? Explains you turning into that other thing? That other version of you?
You saw that?
Yes, I saw it. Tell me it's gone, Peter. Tell me you don't have that black suit again.
Well, it's complicated.
You have it, don't you? You know what that does to you. You know how it can change.
For me, at first. Maybe this time it's different.
I don't believe you. Get rid of it, Peter. Get rid of it and then I'll talk to you.
Come on, MJ. Venom is out there still. I have a feeling that something's changed. That something about the suit is different.
Yeah? Well, I have a feeling everything will be the same. Get rid of it. It's not who you are. Find yourself.
I've saved all of them by a tweeting going on.